Terro is a biomaterial science company transforming aquaculture waste into compostable, low-cost, and highly scalable packaging materials. We are on a mission to replace fossil-derived plastic and harmful PVA with sustainable alternatives. Every year, 300 million tons of plastic are produced, and a staggering amount ends up polluting our planet. Using our patented cutting-edge technology, we take agriculture waste and turn them into high-performance, eco-friendly, sustainable materials that dissolve in nature and leave no waste behind. Our materials are already being used by major Fortune 500 global companies, proving that sustainability and performance can go hand in hand. We're building a future where waste isn't a problem, it is a solution. Our goal is to eliminate 100 million tons of plastic waste worldwide. Join us and let's build a sustainable world together.